Although it's impossible to cross into the past, I believe I can almost hear it.
Sounds, smells, and sight.
It's all about the merriment on the streets, the dancing to the bands, the drinking, the mischief making. I'm going back to Venice Festival. The festival at this stage is still relatively new. It's vibrant, spontaneous, both in sounds and smells and sight. The crowds gather. Men and women play the game of courting. Gangs jostle each other. The paving stones are littered with the mess they create. Excrement, pieces of forgotten clothing, leftover food, and the smell of food wafts over them. Hot, roasting food. And on the canal, a young couple is taken to their next destination, whispering quietly to each other.